There are 3 reasons to retrofit CarPlay. See if this can move you. First, CarPlay is a subsystem of iOS. No one knows your habits better than your phone, such as your favorite playlist, frequently used navigation destinations, and so on. CarPlay maintains the continuity of using the phone. Second, although automakers have pre-installed many software, but often they are not the ones you necessarily want to use. CarPlay supports almost all of the most commonly used navigation apps on the market. You can switch and choose freely. Third, the update cycle of the infotainment system is relatively slow. The update speed of CarPlay depends on the frequency of updates to the phone's operating system. This ensures that the apps on CarPlay are always up to date, especially for older cars. CarPlay is very useful. We will have the opportunity to have more new experiences on CarPlay. You can't deny iOS, with each updated interface and smoothness of operation. And when they are projected onto your car's large screen, there will be a kind of blank to hardcover feeling. I'd like to introduce you to a website where they can help older cars upgrade CarPlay. The website is in the comments section.